Let me show you how to use Live Translate for phone calls in the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Then you can click on Galaxy AI right here. Now, if you're not logged into your Samsung account, you will need to log in or create your account. Then after that, you will see a menu like this. We need to navigate to Call Assist. Then make sure that the feature is on if you want to use it. And when it's on, you can see a little introduction. Sadly, I cannot make a call, so I won't show you the inside call, but you can see animation how to activate it. So all you have to do is open your phone call, then click on the assist icon, which should be right here, and after that you'll be able to see the translation in text. But before we do that, we should also adjust the settings for it. You can change your settings for yourself. That means pick a language that you speak right here, and then you can change the voice and speech rate right here for the translate. You can mute your voice if you like or not, depends. And then the settings for other persons. So for example, if my language is Polish and I will speak with someone that speaks English, I'll be able to translate that call into my language right here. You can also mute other person's voice and change the voice right here, or add another one, but this requires the download, and you can change the speech rate as well if you like. And that would be honestly everything important about live translation for Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So thanks so much for watching.